Hello everyone, my name is Jamal. Welcome to my video. Today I want to share a time series analysis dashboard that I've completed. So let's take a closer look and discuss the features of the dashboard. So I'm using academic data here. When you apply to study at a university, a student will complete an application form and the university will offer the student a space into the course, and once the student agrees to it and pays the tuition fees, then they will be registered onto the course and they are registered as a student in the university. So these are the main set of data that we use for the university recruitment, and we analyze every step of this process. The main chart consists of 4 lines. Each line represents an academic year, and it is also showing the running total of applications, offers and registrations over time. So this is cumulative. I've created tabs here so we can easily and seamlessly flick through each process. I have designed it such that we can easily compare different years. So if I was to compare this year with last year, all I need to do is just click on the filters like this, and I can also do a 3-year comparison or a 4-year comparison, and it's just a matter of holding down the control button and selecting the desired years. I really like this chart because you can easily gain performance related insights by simply comparing the gaps between the different years and the different lines. The bottom left chart here shows the variance analysis between applications from this year and applications from last year, and I have divided it to show month by month. The bottom right hand side of the page here is very similar to the variance analysis, but it shows the conversion rate differences between this year and last year. And the main purpose of both these charts is to look for volatility and fluctuations, and then we can identify why this has happened, and hopefully we can try and solve the problem. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or if you want to explore how this dashboard can benefit you or your organization, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more valuable insights in the future.